Hello everyone, in this video I will help you track your team's actions and stay updated on all the activities performed in the board with the activity log tab. To go to the activity log, you need just to click on the three dots on the top of your board and go to the activity log. Here you will be able to see all the actions performed within the board, and you can see when the action has been done, who made the changes, and also you can see the previous data, what it was and what it has been changed for. And also you can see the column that has been changed. For example, if you are running a weekly meetings with your team to track all the actions done for the projects you are working on, before the meeting you can come to the activity log and you can filter to see all the actions that have been performed within this week. You can filter by other parameters as well, and then see all the data and use it for your meeting. And also you can export your data into Excel. You can also filter them by person. Another thing you can do is, if you want to see all the actions that have been done within a particular item, you can click on that item and then you will see all the details and changes done for that particular item in the activity log here. There can be some cases, for example, by accident, you have changed any item here, any information, and you would like to see the previous data. Again, you can come to your activity log and see the previous data and then change it back in your work. I hope this is helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.